Welcome to our journey through some of the most luxurious travel destinations in the world. From Bali to the Maldives, we'll be taking you on a visual feast of high-end locations and unforgettable experiences. First up, Bali. This Indonesian island is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and unique cultural experiences. For a truly luxurious stay, we recommend checking out the private villas in Ubud, where you can enjoy a secluded retreat with your own infinity pool and stunning views of the rice fields. In Bali, you can also experience world-class spas, indulge in delicious local cuisine, and explore ancient temples and palaces. And if you're looking for adventure, you can even try your hand at surfing or hiking one of Bali's many volcanoes. Now let's take a trip to the Maldives. This island nation in the Indian Ocean is a popular destination for honeymooners and luxury travelers, with its overwater villas, crystal clear lagoons, and abundant marine life. For a truly unforgettable stay, we recommend checking out the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island, where you can dine in an underwater restaurant, relax in your own private infinity pool, and even sleep under the stars in a luxurious overwater villa. In the Maldives, you can also go snorkeling or diving to explore the vibrant coral reefs and encounter marine life such as sea turtles, dolphins, and manta rays. And if you're looking for a truly unique experience, you can even go on a night dive to see bioluminescent plankton lighting up the water around you. So there you have it, two of the most luxurious travel destinations in the world. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, explore ancient cultures, or encounter marine life, Bali and the Maldives have something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready for the trip of a lifetime.